3 of our 11-step process on how we use to get new customers for businesses using Facebook ads so that you can get and grow your business starting next week. All right. Now, video 3 is about picking up an offer that solves their problem. Okay. Now that we've defined the demographic that we're targeting and really dug into a few of the situations that they face on a daily basis, it's time to craft an offer that will be something that is hard for them to refuse. The key is to speak to them directly as possible. All right. Now, here's one of my most successful offers for client. One of it is a chiropractor. So for this example, I'm going to use a chiropractor case study. Okay, you can apply the same principles that make this offer work for any kind of small business. Right. Now, the offer can be broken down as follows. One, if you recall from my previous training, I was aiming at female around the age of 35. And I was aiming specifically for moms of toddlers and with young school-going kids or grade schools. Okay, and we give a free chair massage from an office massage therapist. Okay, we give an free chair massage from an in-office massage therapist. Okay, listen carefully. All right. Now, then the ad specifically states that the massage is a salute to all working moms who are currently running like crazy to take care of the kids. And the ad specifically states that we appreciate them and wanted to provide this public service to them for free. Okay, don't panic when you heard the word free. Okay, I will share more on how this freebie turns into money spent at the actual business. All right. Now, some things to note about this offer. My client is a chiropractor. It is a 15 minutes chair massage. It is administered by a massage therapist. The goal is to get them to come into the business the first time. Then we use this to make an amazing first impression. Then my client makes sure that he say hello when they come in. All right, and we also make sure that the office makes an offer to them, then to these moms before they leave. All right, and I will share you more about this soon. All right, now most importantly, this offer is extremely low cost to deliver, but it carries a high perceived value to our target audience. In short, this offer is tailored for our audience and it is extremely low cost. It's a low cost way to get our ideal customer through the door the first time and give them a big incentive to come back a second. If you can recall in my previous training, I told you the objective of this campaign is to make sure the customer come back a second time at least. All right. Now I'm going to share with you the big 2x secret of this process. Okay, the 2x big secret of this process is not only for my client. All right, the most important things for any small business is to build a system that get new customers to come in 2 times, at least 2 times. If you can get someone to come into your business twice and deliver an above average experience, the odds are they will be your customer for life. Not only that, they will refer new customers to you. Now, that said, everything that we do from this point is designed to get the customer to come into your business twice. Okay, and I've done it not only for a chiropractor, I did it for a dental clinic, I did it for a business that is very, very, very niche. All right, that very, very high end. All right, targeting only high end customer because the product is very, very unique. All right, as long as whatever you're doing, whatever audience you're targeting, whatever the experience you go through, and whatever offer you put up, it will trigger a customer to come back a second time because you give an above average experience. Okay, deal will definitely not fail. Okay, now that we have an offer, so what's next? I hope that you're already getting some ideas of some offers that you can offer in your business or to your clients, right? From here, we have a great offer that is going to attract a ton of our ideal customers. Now we just have to get it in front of people. to do that, we are going to need to build some assets. Example like a web page, all right, to talk about the offer. Now, let's talk about what those pages, these assets that should look like. Okay, don't worry, they are simpler than you think, all right? And we look into one in terms of a traditional web page, all right? Second, we look at it more as if it's a messenger to get people to convert through a conversation, okay? That will be addressed in video 4 as we create a landing page or a squish page or an opt-in page, okay, whatever you say or whatever you call it, all right? Now, so if you don't want to miss out the notification when you post new content, then switch on your notification alert. The video tutorial is in the group under unit section, all right? So I'll see you in the next training on video 4, okay? Please take action, share with us your progress, or any questions or any problem in this posting under QQQ, and I'll be more than happy to help you, all right? So I'll see you next video training. See you. Bye-bye.